In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Preflight tool in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to fix PDF UA issues. If you are working toward accessible PDFs, PDF/UA compliance is a key standard. Acrobat's Preflight tool helps detect and correct common problems, so your document is easier to navigate with assistive technologies. Think of it as a smart inspector that can both analyze your file and apply automated fixes where possible. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. From there, go to the Tools tab along the top. Look for Print Production, then click Preflight. If you don't see Print Production right away, use the search box within Tools to find it quickly. Opening Preflight brings up a dedicated dialog where you can run checks and apply corrections tailored to different standards, including accessibility. Inside the Preflight dialog, make sure you are on the Profiles tab. Profiles are collections of checks and fix-ups bundled for a specific goal. To focus on accessibility, expand the PDF/UA section, or type UA into the search field to filter results. This narrows the list to options designed to help you align with the PDF/UA1 standard. Taking a moment to confirm you are in the Profiles tab is important, because that's where the full accessibility workflows live, not just individual checks. Now choose a relevant profile. Two common choices are Fix PDF/UA1 violations and Set PDF/UA1 entry. The Fix PDF/UA1 violations profile attempts to correct a range of issues automatically, such as missing document metadata or structural inconsistencies. The Set PDF/UA1 entry option focuses on setting the PDF/UA flag and related entries. Keep in mind that while Preflight can fix many technical items, some accessibility requirements like accurate reading order or meaningful alternative text may still require manual review in the Tags panel later. With your profile selected, click the Fix button, represented by the small wrench icon. Acrobat will analyze the file and apply the chosen fix-ups, depending on the size and complexity of your PDF. This may take a moment. When the process completes, Acrobat will prompt you to save the document so the changes can be applied. It's a good practice to save a new copy. Preserving your original, consider adding something like VOA to the file name, so it's easy to identify the accessible version. After saving, you'll have a document that moves you closer to PDF by UA compliance and improves the experience for all readers, especially those using assistive technology. That's it. Thanks for watching.